Acha, Anshul, tell me about this is my last question to you with respect to the various new provisions or labor law provisions specifically. Uh, you have applied for a job where you need to be on the field as an enforcement officer. So tell me what are all the benefits which EPFO provides to all the beneficiaries, and what will be your role if you visit an institution where these benefits are not being provided, or the employer has not registered these employees under those benefits.
Sir, yeah, the first one with the role of EPFO in providing benefits. Sir, it has three important roles. One is with respect to the employer, that it ensures that compliance is taken care of from the employers. Second main role of EPFO is with respect to the employees, that it sees that the service delivery is taking place seamlessly and everyone's complaints are also dealt with. Third one is with respect to the three schemes that EPFO has. One with respect to provident fund, second with respect to pension, and third with respect to the insurance. About the second question, sir, that if the people, if the employees, beneficiaries are not getting the benefit, I think as per the enforcement officer and also the accounts officer, sir, while working as an enforcement officer, the main function is on the at the ground level, sir, where the complaints can range from like industrial safety measures are taken care of or are not. The second can be with respect to if the occupational safety and working conditions like clean drinking water facilities, changing rooms, separate toilets for women, all such a care is taken care of or not. So there I can, as an enforcement officer, I can facilitate, I can help with those employees by having compliance from the employer under the EPF Act. I can make employer comply to the provisions that are there in the Act. When working as an accounts officer, sir, the major complaints that are that will be there will be if all the people are having their easiness in getting to know the digital technologies like universal account number, where they understand is their account, is the PF account is put in their account or not, where they can check all the issues. The second is with respect to grievance redressal, that is online, that is to create awareness among the people. So in the people who are using less, we have to make the online platform very easy, and the organization has also taken some steps in that regard, like from when it has implemented digital reforms like Umang app, the number of settlements claims are also seen a very rise in the percentage, that almost more than 70% of complaints are getting resolved through the online mechanism. So people are finding it a better way. That is all, sir.